wanted them that to have it. Make the children stand up. Council members, stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Attention.
The movement we have been waiting for is finally here. I see the arrival of our chief guest,
Sir.
Kumar, and our guest
Welcome
of
to our
honor.
St. Paul's
Let us all stand on our places as he is on his way to come here. You need to quietly stand on your places. Motivates these young minds to look beyond themselves, to dream big, and to serve our nation with dedication you have shown for all these years. We also warmly welcome our guest of honor, Reverend Father Paul Falera. Thank you, Father, for your presence and educational guidance that enriches our school community. Thank you so much, you all, for your presence that motivates these young minds to look beyond themselves. देशभक्तों के बलिदान से स्वतंत्र हुए हैं हम। देशभक्तों के बलिदान से स्वतंत्र हुए हैं हम। कोई पूछे तो गर्व से कहेंगे भारतीय हैं हम, भारतीय हैं हम। कोई पूछे तो गर्व से कहेंगे भारतीय हैं हम, भारतीय हैं हम। Now I request our guest.
Everyone, a very warm welcome to our respected chief guests, principal sir, fathers, sister, teachers. Celebrate the Republic Day, we honor our great nation and the beautiful tricolor that represents us. The saffron stands for courage, the white for peace, and the green for prosperity. Today is January 26th, a day that makes every Indian heart beat with pride. We are here to celebrate our 77th Republic Day. This day reminds us the power of our constitutions of this great nation. It is a day to remember our heroes and to promise ourselves that we will work together to make India even better. And now, to begin our celebration in a most traditional and respectful way, it is time for flag hosting. We now request our principal sir to officially usher the guests to the stage for the flag hosting ceremony. We most respectfully invite you to all please come forward to the stage and lead us in unfurling the national flag.
Salute to the flag. Hands down.
Please place your right hand forward for the pledge.
And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love India and feel proud of our tradition and great heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of her. I shall always respect my parents, teachers and elders and be courteous to all. I promise to be loyal to my country and countrymen. In their prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
And now let us take a moment to acknowledge a change within our school walls. You may have noticed a new presence among us. It is the time to officially introduce the newest member of our leadership team. We are blessed to have with us Father Paul Valera. To welcome him into our hearts and in our school family, I call upon the speaker Amar and Ashvi to come forward and felicitate Father Paul Valera. Our new assistant parish priest of St. Raphael Church, a man whose journey of faith has come a full circle. He was ordained as a priest on the 4th April 1991. In a beautiful twist of providence, his very first appointment after ordination was right here at St. Raphael's Church, Shahjahanpur. After traveling the world and serving in high offices, he has returned home to us. His intellectual contributions are vast. He has served as a visiting professor at St. Joseph.
India is not just a country, it's a living emblem rooted in ancient soil, crowned in modern drapes. Today, we honor our symbols, for when symbols speak, a nation awakens. Lotus, India's national flower, blooms in mud, stands for hope, growth and spiritual light.
लहरों में खोई हूँ बूंदे
Peacock, our national bird, its stance shines with grace and beauty. Tiger, the national animal. Its roar reflects fearlessness and majestic spirit. Hockey, the national game, reflects teamwork, unity, and fighting spirit. Banyan tree, the national tree, deep-rooted and eternal. Just like India, it stands tall through time.
दुश्मन की सलामी दे तू सूरज हम तेरे उजाले तुझसे जुदा नहीं होने वाले आखिर तक हम सफर करेंगे जय जो नस नस में है हर बाजी फिर बस में है दिल जान के हिंदुस्तान बोले सलाम 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 वंदे मातरम
And pleasant morning to everyone present over here. Our honorable chief guest, respected principal, teachers and my dear friends. Today I, Umama, with my co-partner Swastik, and we are present over here to speak about one of the most important national festivals of our country, and that is the Republic Day. Every year we proudly celebrate Republic Day on 26th of January to mark the day when the Constitution of India came into effect in 1950. This day made India a sovereign, democratic and republican nation, giving every citizen the right to equality, freedom and justice. Our Constitution was written under the guidance of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and other great leaders who worked hard to create the world's largest democratic framework. The main Republic Day celebration is held at Rajpath, now officially known as Kartavya Path in New Delhi, where the President of India unfurls the national flag and Indian Army, Navy and Air Force represent a grand parade. Different cultural performances by students from different states represent our unity in diversity. On this day, schools, offices and communities also organize flag hosting ceremonies, patriotic songs, speeches and other cultural programs to show their love for the nation. Republic Day reminds us of the great sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and leaders who gave us the gift of democracy. It teaches us to be responsible citizens and work for the progress and unity of our country.
Now, I want to speak about the role of students in Indian politics. Also demands leaders with strong moral character. Students should nurture qualities such as integrity, empathy, discipline, and respect for diversity. A nation as diverse as India can remain strong only when rise above caste, religion, and regional differences. When students involve themselves in such social issues like environment, education, equality, and digital awareness, they connect politics with real human concerns.
So now let's aim that with knowledge as our strength, unity as our identity, and the Constitution as our guide, we promise to build an India that is stronger, progressive, and proud. This is not just our country, this is our responsibility. And this is not just our voice, this is the voice of the nation.
Now I conclude with my favorite words. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा.
हम बुलबुलें हैं इसके, ये गुलसिता हमारा. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Thank you.